Well, let's get you an update on what's happening in the commodity markets as well. Manisha Gupta is joining in. Manisha, what's the one commodity you're tracking today?
Sonia, I'm looking at metals as a sector because we've seen strength continuing for a second straight day onto this one. And this is the gains have come in ahead of the U.S. non-farm payroll data that comes in today in the evening in the U.S. session. But ahead of that, the U.S. dollar has had the steepest fall that you can see in last 3 months. And that has been supportive for various asset classes, especially in case of commodities. The prices also are headed for a weekly gain after 3 constant weeks of decline there. So most of these metals are trading in the positive in Asia right now. Also, there is now a 74% chance of Fed holding interest rate hike on the 13-14 June meeting. That is adding premium to prices. But apart from all of this, it is the strong China data that we saw come in yesterday, whether it was about factory activity, the manufacturing PMI data and the sales, all of that came in on the positive, and expectations that we could be looking at a China stimulus at this weekend or the next week also seems to be supportive. Take a look at copper, and that seems to be supported on low mine supply growth, whether it has been about Peru, Chile or Zambia. We are looking at lower estimates for this year. Same is the case with aluminum, which is facing smelter capacity cuts in Europe and China. So this is yet another metal which can be looking at supports going forward. In this week, as I said, most of these metals are posting strong weekly gains. Gold is up nearly 2%, silver 3%. It's 2% of gains coming in for copper and aluminum as well. Zinc, which saw a decline of nearly 11% in the previous week, has seen 0.5% of a gain come in right now. And the ferrous metals also doing quite well, 4 to 6% of gains for steel and iron ore for this week itself.
Okay, thanks a lot for that. Well,